Chapter 11. Active and Passive Voice. The form of verb which tells whether the subject, person or object of a sentence do something or something has been done to the subject is called voice. There are two types of voice: active voice, passive voice. Active voice. The active voice in a sentence denotes that the noun or pronoun that acts as the subject in the sentence is the doer of the action. In other words, the subject performs the action or acts upon the verb. For example, I decorated the hall. Passive voice. The passive voice represents that the subject is one acted upon by the action or verb in the sentence. It can also be said that the passive voice indicates that the subject in the sentence is no longer active but passive. For example, the hall was decorated by me. Difference between the active voice and the passive voice. Feature: active voice, passive voice. Feature: subject, active voice performs the action. Passive voice receives the action. Feature: sentence structure. Active voice, subject plus verb plus object. Passive voice, object plus be, verb plus past participle plus by plus agent. Feature: focus. Active voice, doer of the action. Passive voice, action itself or object receiving the action. Feature: clarity. Active voice, usually clearer and more direct. Passive voice can be wordy and less direct. Feature: tone. Active voice, assertive and straightforward. Passive voice, neutral or passive. Feature: typical use. Active voice, everyday writing, news, reports. Passive voice, formal writing, scientific writing, when emphasizing process or project. Feature: example. Active voice, the dog chased the ball. Passive voice, the ball was chased by the dog. Let's learn how changes are made in the tenses when the verb is changed from active to passive voice. Present tense rules. First, simple present. Active voice: I fly kite. Passive voice: kite is flown by me. Rule to change: object plus is, am, are plus verb third form plus by subject. Second, present continuous. Active: Aarti is eating bananas. Passive: bananas are being eaten by Aarti. Rule to change: object plus is, am, are plus being plus verb third form plus by subject. Third, present perfect. Active voice: he has drunk water. Passive voice: water has been drunk by him. Rule to change: object plus has have plus been plus verb third form plus by subject. Fourth, present perfect continuous. There is no passive voice formation for present perfect continuous tense. Past tense rules. First, simple past. Active voice: he ate my lunch. Passive voice: my lunch was eaten by him. Rule to change: object plus was, were plus verb third form plus by subject. Second, past continuous. Active voice: she was playing football. Passive voice: football was being played by her. Rule to change: object plus was, were plus being plus verb third form plus by subject. Third, past perfect. Active voice. She had lost a ticket. Passive voice. A ticket had been lost by her. Rule to change. Object plus had been plus verb, third form plus by subject. Fourth, past perfect continuous. There is no passive voice formation for past perfect continuous tense. Future tense rules. First, simple future. Active voice. Surbhi will learn the lesson. Passive voice. The lesson will be learnt by Surbhi. Rule to change. Object plus shall, will, plus be, plus verb third form, plus by subject. Second, future continuous. There is no passive voice formation for future continuous tense. Third, future perfect. Active voice. She will have bought 2 apples. Passive voice. 2 apples will have been bought by her. Rule to change. Object plus shall, will, plus have been, plus verb third form, plus by subject. Fourth, future perfect continuous. There is no passive voice formation for future perfect continuous tense. Passive voice rules for modal auxiliary verbs. Subject plus modal auxiliary verb plus be plus main verb past participle form plus by plus object. For example, 1. Active. I can do this work. Passive. This work can be done by me. 2. Active. You may help your brother. Passive. Your brother may be helped by you. Active-passive rules for sentence with 2 objects. The sentences with 2 objects can be converted into passive voice in 2 ways. Using indirect object as the subject of the sentence. Using direct object as the subject of the sentence. Sentence structures. Object. Structure. Object. Indirect object. Structure. Subject, indirect object, plus verb, be, plus verb, third form, plus direct object, plus by, plus object. Object. Direct object. Structure. Subject, direct object, plus verb, be, plus verb, third form, plus for or to, plus indirect object, plus by, plus object. Active voice. Aditi gave me a pen. Passive voice. I was given a pen by Aditi, or a pen was given to me by Aditi. Active-passive voice rules for complex sentences. In case of active to passive voice change of complex sentences, if both the main clause and subordinate clause consist of transitive verb, we have to change the transitive verbs of both the main clause and the subordinate clauses. Sometimes we need to use introductory it. For example, 1. Active voice. I know that he did the work. Passive voice. It is known to me that the work was done by him, or that the work was done by him is known to me. 2. Active voice. Everybody says that you have done it. Passive voice. It is said by everybody that it has been done by you, or that it has been done by you is said by everybody.